Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to set up the split screen multitasking on your XIAOMI Pad 8. So, at first you need to open an application you want to see as the split screen, and so that you can select the second one. Now you need to open the application list view and hold your application like this, and here you need to select this middle thing over here. This is split screen. As you can see here, there has something going wrong. Doesn't matter. And now I need to just decrease the volume level to the 0 so that we won't hear this TikTok meow sounds. And now we need to select the second application. Now start, and now here we are. We can, as you can see, use normal app and our Spotify. We can use home screen, open another application, etc. We can here set calendar. Now exit Spotify, open contacts. That's how it works. It's very clear. Goodbye.